In this video today we'll discuss 5 upcoming Thai dramas in September 2020. The first drama name is Love by Chance 2. Continuation of Love by Chance with Tin Jan as the main couple. Jan is learning about what love is and the obstacles that come with it. Kangela tries to reconcile with No. The second name is Jan Y. In the world of Y, many relationships might happen from imagination, but how many times does the relationship come from the real world? Here you watching the main roles. At number 3, The Gifted Graduation. After 2 years, the new school year began again. As a student in 6th grade, I still had to face the convinced director's spot. In the education system he created, while Pang wanted to change the school to be equal and equal. In addition, there is also a hidden threat from the ministry. Led by Darren, a new academic teacher who no one knows the true need. Her collection include Tam, a 4th grader, and a new generation of gift kids friends who want to define their own future. The through struggle between children and adults come to breaking point. Filled with the danger and more complicated than it looks, what will the final battle be like? Go together or not can be tracked in The Gifted Graduation. Who will be victorious? A Pang and his companion will be able to maintain their ideals and friendship. At number 4, drama name is The Oxygen. Orphaned at a very young age, Goy, a 4th year engineering student, has had to work hard and earn for himself for as long as he can remember. Still, through the test of time, he still has a soft demeanor and smile on his face. Solo freshman in the Faculty of Music can get anything he wants with a flick of his wrist. Money, fame, good looks, the boy has everything except his smile. When Solo's mother passed away, she took with her his smile. Nothing could fill this missing the hole. That is until one day he seems a smiling boy working at a cafe. One night, the two worlds collide in a small coffee shop. For a cup of hot milk and warm smile, Solo finds himself back in the cafe every night. For a soft boy who reminds him of Husky, Boy finds himself waiting for a late night visitor with a cup of hot milk night after night. Night after night, the two boys continue to meet at the same spot at the same time, until they soon come to realize that they have become each other's breath, a necessity just like oxygen. The last and the 5th drama name is My Year and You're Gone. Meet Dr. Pai, a smart medical student, former head of a school's academic club. He doesn't have a confidence about his facial appearance, and lastly, he doesn't believe in love. Yet a handsome engineering student and the former head of a sport club. No matter what happens, my gear only matches with your gown. That's all of today. I hope so you really enjoyed this video. The cast of each drama in provided description. Please visit my description, like my videos, share with your loved ones, comment and subscribe to my channel for more. Take care, bye.